I'm Ridhika and welcome back to my channel, Science Experiment Corner. Today I'll be doing an experiment which shows us that air exerts pressure and air pressure can be really powerful. This is a really easy experiment. All we need is a glass halfway filled with water and a piece of chart paper. So first we'll place this piece of chart paper above the glass and flip it. We'll keep like this for some time. Oh no, some water leaked, but that's okay. See? The chart paper sticks to the water doesn't flow out. It's not wet under the chart paper, so some water leaked out. And this happens because the water exerts pressure to go outside, but the air pressure from here exerts the equal amount of pressure to the glass against the water's pressure. So that makes the paper still like this. Okay, so that was a fun experiment, and this is the place where I kept the glass, and here only it became wet. The back side, it's not wet at all. So this was a really easy experiment. You can try it home and understand. And until the next experiment, bye.